lads, welcome back to the Pirate Pat channel. Got Pirate Rio Pafos with me today, and we've got these really cool Crate Creatures Surprise Bashers, and we've got two different ones because there is quite a few to collect. Now there is, I'll just read these out. There's Cross Eyes, Flea, Snorthog, Tugger, Croak and Pudge. And there is also Blizz, Guano, Sizzle, Stubbs, Kappa and Tenta. Now these are really cool, and it says on the back, bash 'em, smash 'em, crash 'em. And they obviously make noises and everything like that. And it says on the front, free the beast, do not pull tongue. So I think we've got to get them out first to activate the batteries. They do come with batteries. So I'm hoping, because these were actually on the shelf, that not everyone's been playing with them and the batteries have gone. So we're going to find out. So we're going to open these up. Should we open one each, Pyrio?
Yeah.
You open them at the back here, look, I think. There's a little tag thing there, look. So it's like a little crate. Ooh, it's quite cool.
Whoa, that was cool opening. But yeah, and then it just opens normally.
Wow. Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, awesome!
Awesome.
Now, the thing actually, the idea is as well, you open this up as well, I think, because this actually makes.
Yeah, still just make it in the cage.
Yep. So if you keep that one like that, Pyrio, and I'll open this one up while you have a look at that, because this actually makes, I believe, like a target, so you can throw them and things like that.
Big?
Like a little list there as well.
It has batteries in it already.
Oh, that's good then. Wow, look at yours. Which one have you got, Pyrio?
Mine you got. It literally looks like a dragon.
Wow,
like with the
cool.
ears and stuff. Wait, should I turn it on and see what it does?
Yes, let's go for it. You managed to turn it on at the back.
Now I pull its tongue. Or what do I do?
Whoa.
Wait, I turned it on. What does it do?
Let's have a look.
I just turned it on. What does it do now?
Wow. Right, I'm going to take this a bit close to the camera so you can hear. It's a little bit windy out here today, guys. Ooh, you made a funny noise then.
Yeah, that was this one.
Was it?
Yeah.
Ah. So these are quite cool. And you open the box up and it makes like a little target as well, look, which is quite cool. So I've got Blizz. And you've got, which one have you got, Pirate Rio?
I got
one with a green horn on his head. I'll get that one.
Second
one you've got.
Yeah, I got this one.
So which one was this, Pirate Rio?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on the box.
What was it?
Yeah, get that one, it's on there.
Have a look on there for me.
This is on the front cover.
Whoa, so this is really cool.
It is there.
And the idea with these is, guys.
There it is.
Oh, that one, Croak. So Pirate Rio's got Croak. So the idea is, you pull their tongue like this, and you sort of. Okay, making a noise, and you flip them like that onto the scoreboard like that, and see what score you get. Yeah, so just flick them. Hold the tongue like that, look.
Yeah.
Flick them like that. They make some funny noises, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They're pretty cool, guys. Really good. I quite like these actually. They're really good. So there we go. So, oh, they're making some very strange noises.
I turned mine off. What?
Wow. Oh, and when they bounce, they make a noise as well, which is really cool.
Yeah, and if you turn it off, it still makes noises when you pull its tongue. Wow.
Oh, so yeah, I can see now. There's underneath the tongue. There's like a little gap where you sort of wedge your finger in there when you flick them.
Oh yeah, there is.
Ah.
Look at that. Oh yeah, it's like biting your finger.
They're quite cool, aren't they? They make some funny noises. Let me just check this one to the camera as well. These are really good.
Look, yours is on the front. Because that's what it is.
And you can bash them,
They're pressed on the front.
bounce them, whatever you want with them. They're really cool, really good. And you can play games with them. When they land, they make another noise, which is quite cool.
Wait, yeah, just do that too. And it's so
Let's have a go at this
they
one,
make a
Mario.
noise. Oh, the table.
Wow, really, really cool. I do like these, they're really good. So there are 12 of these to collect, and they're by a company called MGA Entertainment, and they're quite nice actually,
Yeah.
aren't they?
You stand them up. Next thing. I need to pick it from up here. Oh. Hey,
It's really cool. 12 to collect, guys, on these. Do like these by MGA Entertainment. Like I said, really good, great fun. Got batteries included, obviously, as well.
Yeah.
And I believe you can actually get bigger ones of these, can't you?
Yeah.
We've seen some in Cyprus in jumbos,
Yes.
haven't we? And they're probably about so big.
Yeah,
Um,
and they have a Kroger where you have to open it with.
Yeah, and I think their eyes light up on those
Yeah,
ones as well,
those
don't
ones
they?
do. You have to put its tongue, just
But-
like these ones.
But these ones are the Crate Creatures Surprise Bashers, because obviously
You bash them.
Mine made a very rude noise
Yeah,
there when he
and
landed.
you feel that tummy is like bouncing. So you have to bounce them from there. Or you can just do this, right?
And they, you don't have to pull the tongue, they still...
Yeah.
Oh, it just went boing.
Well, mine did not, because I haven't turned it on.
Try that one.
Nick, why is mine not working?
Wheeze now. Wow, brilliant. Well, guys, we hope you've enjoyed that video on our Crate Creatures Surprise Bashers. Oh, he's still making a noise here. They're really cool fun. Let me stop now.
Yeah, please stop. Oh, he's back.
There you go. Great fun. Give us a big thumbs up on this video, guys. Let's get lots of likes on this. Comment below if you're collecting these as well, and which ones have you got, and which one's your favourite. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do. Hit the bell and you get a notification when you put your next video on tomorrow. I will put a link to Pirate Rio's channel below as well. Check out his channel, Rio Pafos. He's got some great videos on there, mining for gold and lots of things like that, and treasure, which are really, really cool. We're trying to get 6,000 subscribers, guys. We're doing really well. Our subscribers have started going up again now. Got lots more videos coming up on match attacks.
Yeah.
Red Nose Day is almost upon us as well. So give us a big thumbs up on the video, guys, and we look forward to seeing our next one. See you all soon. Bye.